rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some fun.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm back with another hair review. As you can tell by the title, this video is sponsored, but that's not going to render any of my honest opinions. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So the hair that I was sent, it was sent from BuLaDou Hair, aka Julia Hair. This is the box. It's pink. It is so pretty. It has why you should choose them to get your hair, and it also has a remark about how to take care of your hair. And then on the top it just says, choose Julia Hair, keep your unique beauty. And then, like I said, on the front it just says their name. It's really cute. I have, let me just open the box and not even trying to remember. I know that the hair is Brazilian. It is 14 inch, 16 inch, and 18 inch with a 12 inch closure. So when you open it up, comes with some lashes. See, now I'm happy that I got some lashes. Even though I don't know if I'm going to use them, I'm just happy that they sent them to me. Yeah, it comes with these lashes. Then it comes with a little message from them, just about thanking me for getting their hair, you know, and that they try to provide the best quality, their email and stuff like that. I'm going to put their social media on the screen so you guys can go follow them. Now, this is the closure. This is a bundle, another bundle, and the last bundle. Okay, so first, let's take a look at the closure. Comes in this baggie. The closure wasn't sent in the box. It was just outside in the package, outside of the package. But like I said, it's a 12 inch closure. It tells you right here. Okay, so this is the closure. It is really soft. It does come in like a natural color, but with my ring light it looks brown to me. I'm pretty sure it probably looks black to you guys, but there is like this I might pluck when I put it on. But this is a closure. I'm pretty sure it's 4x4. It's very, very soft. And I am going to use the closure this time because right now I have leave out. Baby, my head is itching. But yeah, I like the closure a lot. Very, very soft. I don't see any shedding as I'm pulling my hair through it, but I'm not really like yanking it, which you shouldn't do. I know I'm going to have to bleach the knots, so I'll do a video of me bleaching the knots, but this is the closure. Now we're going to look at the 18 inch bundle. It just comes with a rubber band around it. Of course, take the rubber band off. Okay, this is the 18 inch. This is the longest length that I've gotten, so right now I have it in 20, but still it'll be pretty long. I'm gonna get this installed for prom. It just says human hair, virgin human hair. And then let's look at these wefts. These wefts, they look kind of thin, but I think I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna try to double them. These are the wefts. Now, again, I don't really see any shedding with the actual bundles either. After I have them installed for prom, when I take them out, I might try to dye them and see how they take the hair. Not hair, dye. Probably like a red color. But this hair is really soft. Like, y'all, it is so soft. I cannot stop running my fingers through it because that's like how soft it is. But with the shedding, usually it doesn't shed because they have it tied so tight. And I'm gonna take off the wrapping on one of my lower inches of hair because I don't want to do that with this length since it's so long. Okay, so this is the 14 inch right here. These darn rubber bands, bruh. Okay, see, now I look a little bit crazy because the way it came out of the packaging, so I'm gonna just smooth it back out. But take the sticker off, or at least try to. Okay. I think that 3 bundles would be enough. Like, my head isn't that big, so hopefully with double F it'll be enough. Maybe I only have to go into a little bit of the what is this? 14. Oof. I'm gonna try to put that back on afterwards. See, y'all, they have it tied really tight, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get this off. But you guys will know if they're shedding when I do the update, when I have it installed. So this is the 14 inch. It's probably gonna be all the way up here, so it's not gonna be that long. I want to try their body wave though. Like, y'all, I've low-key became in love with body wave, and I really want to try their body wave since their hair is so soft and it's actually really affordable. Like, this was only like $130. And they have coupons and stuff. I'm going to, of course, leave all the links for their hair down below so you guys can check it out. But they do have sales and coupons and stuff that you can use, so it's not like you're really breaking the bank. Like, this is some good hair. It's very soft. I don't see any shedding. The wefts look like a good size, so you would have enough hair to get you through and maybe even have a bundle left over. I'm really excited to like put this in my hair, have it installed. Like I said, I'm going to try to color it, and of course for prom I'm probably gonna have it curled, so we're gonna see how it takes to heat and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review. If you want some good bundles, go check out BuLaDou Hair on Amazon. Of course, I'm leaving all the links down below, so if you want to swim with me and get these nice soft affordable bundles, don't miss out, sis, because Christmas is coming up, your birthday probably coming up, Valentine's Day is coming up, prom is coming up. You want some good bundles, this is where it goes, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.